Hello lovely viewers, if you are living in Africa and any part of the world and you are not making use of these leaves, then you are doing more harm than good to yourself. These are the leaves of Moringa oleifera tree, popularly known as Moringa leaves. In fact, this is one of the best or most nutrient-dense plants on the planet Earth right now. This plant is rich in a lot of plant proteins, vitamins, minerals. It has antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. In fact, this plant is rich. Currently, as I speak, doctors, dietitians are referring patients to start using these leaves. So what are you waiting for? In today's video, I'm going to share with you the health benefits of eating or consuming or using the moringa leaves. So watch this video to the end. Don't jump any portion of the video. Moringa leaves are very good when it comes to regulating high blood sugar and high blood pressure. So if you are suffering from any of these two conditions, diabetes and hypertension, start using moringa leaves. It is very powerful when it comes to regulating diabetes and hypertension. Now, if you are watching this video and you are suffering from any form of stomach-related problems or gut-related condition such as ulcer, bloating, constipation, irritable bowel syndrome, if you are having issues with digestion, make use of these leaves. Those of you who want to boost your immune system, if you want to make your immune system strong enough to fight disease-causing organisms, then start using moringa leaves. It helps to boost and support your immune system. These leaves are good in regulating or lowering your cholesterol level. If you are having issues with your liver, make use of these leaves. If you are suffering from arthritis and any form of bodily inflammations, just make use of moringa leaves. Moringa leaves has the ability to kill cancer cells in your body so that you can be free from cancer. All the men watching this video, come closer. Let me tell you this. Do you know that if you are using moringa leaves, it helps to treat erectile dysfunction and boost your sexual performance? Yes, you heard it. So start making use of moringa leaves. In fact, moringa leaves treat so many medical conditions which I can't mention all of them in this video. So just make use of the leaves. Now you can use the leaves of the moringa plant to prepare tea, and you can also use the fresh leaves to prepare stew or soup. So in my next video, I'll be sharing with you how you can use the leaves of the moringa plant to prepare a herbal tea for yourself and your family, and also how you can use the fresh leaves to prepare soup and stew. Don't wait until you become a victim of the medical conditions before you start using the moringa leaves. Prevention, they say, is better than cure. So let us make use of the moringa leaves. These leaves are found in Africa and the Asian countries. I think you can find it in the Caribbean as well. Those of you living in Europe, you can find the powder on Amazon. So just look for it. It is a very popular plant. Look for it and start using it. Thank you so much for watching this amazing video. Until I see you in the next one, let us all do well to prioritize our health and that of our family and friends. Peace.